What up, guys? It's me, Mia, and today we are gonna do a little fidget toy set, little package thing, whatever. And then, oh wow, there's a lot. Okay, so first up we have this little rainbow pineapple pop. It's really cute. It has really good pops. This is not as satisfying side, but this is the one. Hear this up. Okay, next up we have, oh my gosh. This is like it's kind of like a little lava lamp, but it's like, you have to keep turning it over. It's really cool, and I don't recommend this doing it upstairs where I am, because it could break, and then there would be what's this, oil or something, I don't know, everywhere, and you would never clean it up. Okay, next up, hold on, we have this little snake thingy, and then this is not broken, it's just there. I got the snake. And if you like this fidget, well, go ahead and like the video. And next, we have to put these over here. Next up, we have this, oh, that's cool. We have this little shooting hoops thing. It's really cool. Here, watch. I'll try and get it dunk for you. So the ball's right there, and I have to press this button like this. Yes, I made the shot. Okay, and that's really cool. And then next up, we have this little bike chain thingy. This bike chain is really cool, but it's just really boring. So I don't really like this fidget. So next, we have this. What is this? It's like a stretchy man. Why would I want this as a fidget? Anyway, I think there's more of them, but whatever. And then we have this football squishy thing. Really cool. You can throw it oops. I accidentally hit the camera. We fixed. Then we have this maze thingy. I can't. Whatever. Then there's a circle poppet in here. I remember there's some kind of unicorn poppet, but I don't know where it is. So this has amazing pops at the satisfying side. This is a really good poppet, but I think the pineapple one's better. And then, oh wow, we have a little fidget spinner And then there's a little bumpy side that you can't really spin it on, and then there's a little flat side here. It's not really flat, but above. And then, hold on, let me just, an infinity cube. You have to tape it, because it was broken. I really love infinity cubes. They're really fun to play with, and totally recommend it. Try not to break it, because it broke. A tangle. These are literally all my fidgets, so I can't get this together. And then I have 5 mochis, but I'll just show you one. It's a dog, and I can use it as a puppet. If you guys can hear something like my brother, he's editing a video. Hello. And then there's a maze, which is annoying to use. need to show you it. I don't know where the marble is. Oh, it's right there. I found it. It's right there. I have to get it in the hole. Yes, I got it in the hole. Okay. A wacky track, which is not connected. My brother, he's editing a video if you can hear that, like I said. I can't connect this. 3, 2, 1. There, I connected it. And then, this is not a fidget. Why did I put this in there? There's a fidget ball, but the other pieces are over there. I was going to finish it, but I couldn't find them, but they're actually over there. So, let me get this. And then, just put the green piece in there. Then flip it over. And easy. Not a fidget. Why do I put stuff in here that's not fidgets? Oh. Here's Franklin the turtle. This is my other little mochi. And Nana Banana, my other mochi. Then last but this is not the last because I got other poppets just a few minutes ago. It's a heart poppet. I love this. But it's just like really hard to press down when you do it on a flat surface. Because letters, they literally don't make this press down. Okay, so that's it with the box, and then we have two mystery things. Can you guess the first one? The first one starts with a letter. What's it called again? Hold on. S. Can you guess what it is? Do it in the comments. And then the one that starts with an S is a little squish ball, and it changes color. Wow, that's so cool. It still has a tag on it. And then the next one, it starts with an M. Comment down below if you think you know what it is. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guess it? Okay. If you think it's that one, this is what it is. A pack of monkey noodles. There's so many. It's the whole rainbow, but there's no indigo. So, first this is kind of like red, pink, blue, green, yellow, orange, and purple. Let's see how big they stretch. Oh my gosh, this is so stretchy. I really love this one. It's at Target if you want it, but there's no description below. But anyways, that was a big fidget toy thingy.